Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not going to do any unboxing of a new watch or any review of a new watch. Rather, I'm going to show you about how to change the strap of your watch. So this is the CASIO MTP-V300L 1E, which has a black dial and has 3 sub dials on the dial, and it has a dark dial. Now the thing that about this watch that I hate is actually the strap. I like the watch but not the strap. I believe the strap is made of PU leather, and it's a kind of butterfly or crocodile style strap. Okay, this is PU leather. It is good. Actually it's nice, but I don't really like it. So I got this watch fairly new, about 2 months ago. All right. So what I have here is the replacement strap, which I ordered from China. This only costs about $4, 4 USD. In Malaysia it's about 15 ringgit. Okay, so this is the dark brown. I have one which is the light brown here with this another CASIO watch. This is the light brown, so this one's the dark brown. So let's take it off, take it out, and look here. All right, up. The retainer over there, so I think all right. Now this is the strap, and it has a quick release spring bar over here, quick release spring bar, so it'll be easy to fix. Right, so if I just focus it for you so you can see clearly, there is a genuine leather marking over there with 22 mm size, 22 millimeters. Right, so it's look good. It's really it's feel like real leather, but I don't know, maybe time will tell us whether this is real leather or not. But the workmanship is really good, even though this is only $4. Workmanship is really good. Look at that. Okay, let me just focus for you. Okay, really good. Right, the buckle is not bad. See, it's heavy, it's sturdy, it doesn't feel cheap. It's feel expensive, even though it's only $4 ringgit, sorry, $4. Look at that. The workmanship is really good. It just look like this is real leather, but we don't know. Okay, let's just put this in. Okay, so take off this first on the watch. Okay, let me just focus it. Take it off. All right, fairly easy to take it off. And the other side. Okay, that's it. Now we have the watch here, so right, the long one first. Yeah, it's the one, so meaning that you have to put in the first one, put in the hole, the first one, and this one by using the spring bar, I think. Okay, so no, I made a mistake. That's how not that this is how we're going to do it. Sorry, I made a mistake just now. So put it in first, the tip or the other end, and then the other end you just pull it and slowly. All right, so it snap in, huh? And the other one is the same thing. You put the other end first in the hole, and then pull the spring bar, and then oops, it didn't go in. All right, so it's in. Look at that. Look at that. Marvelous. Fantastic. Fantastico. Okay. Come on. All right. Okay. All right. So let's have a look at on my race. So I'll be back shortly. Okay. Thank you.